Hello, my name is Rishi, and today I'm going to be showing you my Study Buddy. So, Study Buddy is a Chrome extension that utilizes the power of generative AI to condense lengthy online articles. So, Study Buddy has many uses. In a modern online and digital world, many sources of information can be found online, and sometimes you get articles that are overwhelming and extremely long. One example of this is Wikipedia articles. So here I have a relatively long Wikipedia article about Paul Revere. So first, some background information. Paul Revere was an American hero, and he is known for warning people that the British were coming. So let's try Study Buddy. So since it's a Chrome extension, all we have to do is press a button here, and then we could start asking away. So let's ask our Study Buddy to help summarize this article into just summarize the article actually for now. Oh, whoops. Let's open it again. Summarize this article. And let's give it a bit of time. And here we have it loaded in. So Paul Revere was born in 1734 and was a silversmith, industrialist, and patriot in colonial America, and etc. So this is still a bit long, but let's say we want this even shorter, like 50 words. We could do that by refining our prompt. So let's say we do something like summarize this article into 50 words only. So now this is much shorter. And so prominent figure, colonial America, known for his midnight ride, and all the key points. So this is very useful for summarizing, and it's also very useful if you want to extract certain piece of information. So let's try something like, what can you tell me about Paul Revere's house? So Paul Revere's house is located in Boston's North End and is known as one of the oldest buildings in the city. Built around 1680, it was the residence of Paul Revere during the Revolutionary War. So that looks pretty accurate. Let's see what else we could ask our study buddy. How about give me an ordered list of Paul Revere's greatest achievements? So here you can see it gives us a nice organized list of everything. And it says he organized intelligence and alarm system, church bells, participating in Boston Tea Party, and etc. So this is extremely useful. So now that we've looked at how we're using Study Buddy, let's take a look at a quick flow diagram of how this is working. So first we have once our thing starts, we have our UI and website. So the website and UI is basically all of this. So after that, we're injecting JavaScript into the website to get the text. After we get the text, we keep that text and wait until our Chrome extension is opened. Once our Chrome extension is open, our text that was here is communicated to our Chrome extension. Chrome extension is made mostly of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This Chrome extension is then making a call to a Python server, which we have started separately. This server is hosted on your local machine and is made using Flask in Python. This server is then making calls to this API to get our final results. Let's take a look at the installation and usage now. So here, first you'll want to navigate to this website to access this. Then we have detailed installation and usage instructions here, but we'll go over everything right now. So to install it, we're going to click this arrow over here and press download. After we download it, you're going to want to extract all the files into a separate folder. After you download the Study Buddy and you've moved it and placed it comfortably in your file explorer, you want to navigate to your command prompt. Once you go to your command prompt, you'll want to navigate to wherever you have your Study Buddy stored. Then you want to install all the requirements. I already have a requirements txt, which is built in to download everything you need. After you do that, you'll want to set up your API key. To set up your API key, you could follow this link, which has very detailed instructions of how to do so. Once you finish this, you'll want to restart your command prompt. After that, you want to open your Chrome. After you open your Google Chrome, you'll want to go to extension settings, enable developer mode, and load unpacked extension. So as an example of how to do this last bit, we are in Chrome and we want to go to extension settings. To do that, we're going to click here and then do manage extensions. Then this should be toggled off and you'll want to toggle it on and then load unpacked. After you do that, you just select the Study Buddy folder. After that, you could pin it. So all you have to do is click a button and it pops right up. So after you've finished these steps, you'll want to be able to use it. So to use it, first you want to launch command prompt. Then you'll navigate to the Study Buddy folder. After that, you just want to start your Python server. To do this, you could run this command. After you do that, you could start using Study Buddy, as shown with this article. So some notes is this Chrome extension is, well, as it says in the name, it can only be used in Chrome. So you can't like use a Chrome extension in Safari or on your phone. Additionally, you'll also want to be able to have, you also want Python installed on your computer before. In my next video, we'll take a look at the inner workings of how this was put together. Thank you.